वास्को शहरात मनशाच्या जिवाक धोका आशिल्ल्यो 38 इमारती आसात. 2 इमारतीक तर खाली करपाच्यो नोटीशी काडल्यात अशी माहिती मुख्याधिकारी दीपाली नायक हिणें दिल्या. आचारसंहिता सोंपले उपरांत ह्या इमारतींची दुरुस्ती करतले अशें तिणें मुखार सांगलां. आरडीएक्स गो खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Municipal Council building, we have listed it, but we have recommended it for the renovation, and we have already taken up the issue because Municipal Council is been declared as a historical monument building which cannot be reconstructed of this. So we have taken up the major repairs and renovation of this building. So after code of conduct is lifted, we will take up the order already placed. He will take up with this. And one more thing I would like to tell, that we are coming up with a proposal to Maharashtra Bank. That Maharashtra Bank, that Kosambe building will be reconstructed with loan from the Maharashtra Bank themselves. They have given us the proposal, and negotiations are going on that they will construct the building and they will hand over to the municipal council, and the cost and the EMI whatever is payable will be adjusted towards their lease rent. Council has already conducted the survey, and 36 earlier outdated or dilapidated condition buildings are listed, and 2 of them which are later stage which demolished have been issued section 190 under municipal act notices to evacuate, and the same list has been forwarded to collector south for approval and for his information and approval to evict them or issue them these directions.